Today I'm gonna be making a slime because today is my birthday, and what another way to celebrate it. So I'm gonna be making a big slime, a huge slime. Well, for me that's a huge slime because I've never made like big slimes. I would do like normal ones, and I'm gonna be using Elmer's glue, acrylic paint. I have purple and mint-ish color. I don't know, but in the camera purple looks blue. Why did they do that to my favorite color? Okay, you're gonna need a bowl, a mixing tool, and I have my borax and water solution here. So let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna be adding our school glue. Wow. Okay. I think that's is enough. Let me see if you can see it. But I think that's good enough for right now. Okay, so I'm gonna start mixing it. Whoa, that's a lot of glue. Okay, I don't know which color to add, but like for right now, let's just keep it white. So I'm gonna start adding my solution into the glue. And if you hear like some cars, it's because I'm like outside of my house. And yeah. And other people have different strategies or different ways to make their slime. But I just do it like normal, because like, you know, I'm like used to that. And I haven't been doing a lot of videos because I've been in school and all of that. But like, yeah. Okay, look. Mix it, and you can see that it's starting to become like slime. And yeah, I'll see you guys when it's all like mixed in. Like for right now, I'm just gonna keep on adding some more borax and just like keeping on mixing it. And yeah, see you guys back when I am done, so we can put the food coloring. Okay, so ahorita solo les voy a estar enseñando cómo la estoy meneando. Ya se está haciendo. Ay, me mancha las manos. Pero sí es. Cuando estás haciendo cosas divertidas, a veces te tienes que manchar las manos. Echarle más. Wow. Y como es mucho, vamos a tardar un poco. Pero al último va a quedar genial. Okay, that was past me, but now this is future me. So our slime is all done. Look at this. And no, I did not cheat, and my hands are really sore of all the mixing. And yeah, it's still a kind of sticky. And at first it wasn't really stretchy, so I had to put some cream or lotion, but now it's all complete. I love it so much. And it's like And like I told you guys, it's like my first ever huge slime. Okay. And I might do some ASMR videos. I'm gonna make some other huge slimes. And I might give you guys an update of my new slime. And all that stuff. And all of that good stuff. So, I'm gonna add a little bit more of this. Just bathe it. Bathe the slime with the borax. With our solution. That's what I meant to say. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Oh my god. Oh wow. Like I said, my fingers are really sore, and also are my hands. I'm gonna add a little bit more of shaving cream. Of lotion to make it more softer and stretchier. And guys, if you have like a really hard slime, just add some lotion. And if you have a really melty one, just add some more solution with baking soda and all of that good stuff. So, I made this huge slime today, and I'm gonna show you guys how big it is. Look at that. It's a huge slime. It's like so big. I know I could make some bigger ones because I just used like half of my, like 1/4 of my gallon. And whoa, did you guys see that? Whew. That is so big. Okay. So, I told you guys that I was going to do something. Okay. So, get a piece of this. This is a little bit of slime. Put it right aside. Then I'm going to get another piece of this. I think I put a little bit more in this one. Okay. So, we got the same amount. Put this in our giant bowl where it goes. And we are going to make, or attempt to make, a galaxy slime. Okay, so I'm gonna open this if I can. I'll be right back when I am all set up and I have like my slimes a little bit more activated. And yeah, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my slime swirls right here, which I just didn't make them swirl anymore. So for this one, we are going to be putting some purple acrylic paint. So, put it right here, really nicely. Add some of this. I think that's enough. It looks blue. I wish you guys could see the pretty color of my favorite color. Pretty majestic, purplish color. Oh wow, look at that. It looks so nice. And that was like really one drop. Oh wow, that is so pigmented. Guys, it looks so Amazing. Look at that. Okay guys, it looks like a lavender purple. It looks so nice. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Wait, I'm gonna make a swirl. Like a slime swirl. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It looks so beautiful. That is such a nice lavender purple color. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this aside. Now we are gonna go with the other one. With this greenish, bluish. Add some. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow. So I wanted some extra one. Okay, so. I hope that this color you can actually see it good. Look at that. I think the camera makes it a little bit more lighter than what it actually is. But like the colors are so nice. Okay, so it's so pigmented. Can you guys see it? So pigmented. And I just have some light colors. Okay, so we're gonna get our two slimes right here. Both here. They're like such light colors, such light, beautiful colors. Okay, so we're gonna be mixing them. So yeah, I'm gonna make a slime swirl with the slimes. Look at this beauty. Oh wow, that looks so nice. Look at that, guys. Just look at that. Look at that. That looks so nice. Okay, guys. So, that was it for my slime. Giant slime tutorial. Or something like that. I love this slime, and like, yeah guys, I just love it. It's like unicorn. It's like so amazing. Like right now it's like changed color because it's already mixed. But like, yeah, it's like a bluish, lavender bluish. Yeah, it's a lavender blue. Like so nice. So nice. I'm gonna try and make a bubble. I'm like really bad at making bubbles, so yeah. Okay guys, remember to like and subscribe, and yeah, give a like to this video, and remember to subscribe. So yeah, bye guys.